Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR with OnePlus 8 battery replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Let's start it by removing the back cover. Heat gently around the phone until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, insert a plastic card pry tool and slowly cut the adhesive around. In between, you can use a suction cup to lift the back cover. To reach the battery connector, first needs to take the mainboard protector frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Take out the protector cover and disconnect the plug on the left hand side, which is the battery connector. To remove the battery, separate black color adhesive to sides and pull it smoothly from the right hand side indicator. Take out the battery and replace it with a new battery. Replace the new battery and add the adhesive. Make sure the battery has seated orderly and connected. Next, insert all screws back and replace the main back cover. Make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any queries. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.